Let's draw the Lewis structure for neon. That's Ne. When we're talking about Lewis structures, we're talking about valence electrons. Where are the valence electrons around the atom? How many do we have? What's really nice is on the periodic table, we see a pattern. Elements in group 1, they have 1 valence electron. Group 2, they have 2. Skip the transition metals, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All of these have 8, with the exception of helium. That has 2. Kind of strange. But right here is neon. And that's what we're looking for. So neon, because it's in group 8, sometimes called group 18, it has 8 valence electrons. That's going to give us our Lewis structure. So let's put 8 valence electrons around neon. And that's it. That's the Lewis structure for neon. So now think about it. Pause for a second and draw the Lewis structure for argon. Argon, group 18, sometimes called 8A. It's right below neon. That means it has 8 valence electrons, just like krypton and xenon. That's it. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for neon. If you need more help with Lewis structures, check out the video in the end screens. Thanks for watching.